welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny and this is Creating Crafts with Jenny. And currently I upload about 2 to 3 times a week, and this week we are doing a Merlot, kind of a darkish red berry wine color that we're going to focus on for the next few days. I did one yesterday and I can put a picture of that one up here, and then I will do today's, of course. Also hit that subscribe button, it's tucked right down in there. I sure would appreciate it, and we will get going. Okay, so I'm going to switch down here so you can see what I'm up to down here. So I've got 2 cups of paint. So I'm going to do half and half the paints, and then I have in my bottles as tools, I have white, and I have then the Merlot kind of wine color here. I got into that little bit right there and was like, oh no. Wow, look at that. It's gorgeous. I like how the yellow and the red mixed together. It's like, wow. It'd be fun to do like a fire from like the top up. It'd be fun. Add a little bit of black here and there. That'd be cool. Alright. So I see a dry spot over here. I usually don't worry too much about the edges. I like for them to be covered, but they look like they do. Alright. Okay, so there you have it. That looks really cool. I don't think I'm going to use glitter this time. I think the glitter may actually take away from the yellow. I think it looks really good. Alright, so I will show pictures with the Barbie furniture, of course, of yesterday's and today's. I will take some close-ups, pictures of this. Yeah, oh, look at this over here. I don't know if you guys can see this. I will try to get a camera without dipping my camera too close. It might pick it up, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so yeah, I will do some Barbie pictures, and also hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it. Absolutely awesome. Do your thing, and I will see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.